All right, guys, so we're going to do the hub silo structure demo video, and I'm going to show you start to finish how to do this, okay? How to add the hub silo template to Cloudways using WordPress Alpha and content mapping with ChatGPT. The reason I'm doing that is because we have got here this structure, okay? So we want to put content on these pages because these pages already exist within the template. So we're just going to simply overwrite them so that you can see how to do it properly. I'm going to do it with a demo using ChatGPT, okay, just so that everybody can copy what I'm doing and whether you have content already or not. Okay, so we do complete content mapping here, and I'll even give you the access to the prompts. Now, this series of prompts is going to be finding the suggested content for your WordPress site. Okay, we're going to get ChatGPT to give us the blog posts. We're going to give it and get it to give us the exact support article titles, and the support articles are going to be written, etc. as well. So all of the content is coming from ChatGPT. I'm not saying that's the way you should build sites all the time, but we just want to do this in a demo so that you can see how this actually works for the hub silo template. Okay, and also we will be adding that content into the template, just simply overwriting the pages that we got, because all of these pages exist within the template. So we just want to overwrite them. Okay, so let's get started. Now, first of all, I need a domain. Okay, you can see I've got this one here called hubsilo.template. I haven't used it yet, so I'm going to use that. Okay, next, what we do is we come over into WordPress Alpha dashboard. Now, we had a couple of people who got Cloudways accounts, and they went and created some website in Cloudways, and then they're asking me how to import the template from there into that website. It doesn't work like that. Okay, you have to create within WordPress Alpha for it to appear here, and so that you can update and everything else that you can do with WordPress Alpha. So first, we're going to create a site. And you're going to see we've got two choices for servers in here. Okay, one says WordPress Alpha. I've got no idea why my coder decided to put that in here. It's actually DigitalOcean. Okay, this is suitable if you've got a website that you want to be super fast. Okay, a really important website, and that will give you a single site server on DigitalOcean, which will be really fast. And it costs about $5 per month. And they call them droplets, not servers. Okay, they call them droplets. Okay, next. We have Cloudways. This is better for multi-domain servers. Okay, so we're going to choose Cloudways, and you can see I've got some servers already set up. Now, if you wanted to create a new server, you would click on this and you would choose according to the server size that you want. Okay, ideally 2 GB will get you about 10 websites. Okay, that means 10 websites within one 2 GB server. Okay, I'm going to come back over here into the dashboard. I'll just go back, and I'm going to choose an existing server, okay, because I need to put some more domains into that. Okay, now you can see we've got 3 templates here. This is the blog template. It's got more plugins than the hub silo template. The blog template doesn't have any silo structure so that you can do your own. Not everybody wants to have a silo structure. Okay, so that is just a plain blog template. It's got more plugins. When you first install this, you're going to delete a bunch of plugins, and you're going to do some personalization for your site title, description, some stuff like that as well. Next, we have the local biz template in here, and that's got 75, I think, local business and themes, and it's one-click import from that. Okay, that's got just a few plugins. It doesn't need too much because it's got a lot of things already added, especially things like marketing elements like the click to call buttons and opt-in forms and stuff like that. So it needs less plugins. We're going to be using the hub silo template, and the hub silo template is just basically giving us this site structure. These pages have already been created within the template. We need to overwrite them as we go along in this video. Okay, so I'm come back over here. I'm going to use this template. I'll click on that, and we have to give the site a name. We have to put the domain in here as well. You can put the domain without the HTTPS, and I'm going to call this one hub silo website, and I'll put in here demo, so I know not to use this one later. Okay, I'll probably delete it later, but I bought the domain just for this video. Okay, so next we click on submit, and you can see it's starting to spin here. Okay, now what we need to do is give it about 10 minutes. Okay, it might even be quicker because we've got an existing server. So give it about 5 minutes if it's an existing server. So I'm going to pause the video right now and come back. And when I come back, we should have this template already installed. Then we have to do the DNS. Okay, and once we've done the DNS, then we're going to install the SSL. So it's 3 different steps to be able to get this site live, but it takes all in all about 12 minutes. Okay, so I'll come back when this is finished.